ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur! Jai Fore! Jai Fore! Jai Fore! Jai Fore! Jai Fore! Jai Fore!
Kajing Snem kebalaki hakalai truk ujamang arah cara polai hakajala Manipur hapadeng gejai bendru kuki bagi gejai bendru Meitei kelapin kelap herwer yagi pat nong shong jang gejala Manipur. Wala kini gejing jak lekin jo shajing dap Snem kinti hendak kini ki arah bendru hadu menta gedang im hapadeng gejing seir mensim bagi gejing mam shingan shu gejing im gejongki nakadaw bagi Sorkar Manipur bagi Sorkar India kimshim lalap penkut no gejing ken an hapadeng kini ki arah bendru. Kipat ba ke Jela Manipur ke Belawan Petwir syakani ke Jela Meghalaya ha ke jingalang ke Belong ha office terekam jang ke Shillong Manipur Students Union kemudian ha Manipur House lai umkra kelakin tu ya ke Sorkar Manipur be ke Sorkar India bakin penkut no si sendon ya kini ke jingakan at bat berwan rabiang ya ke syongsuk syongsan ban khangla ya ke jingwan rungker thep jang minder na ke Myanmar ban khangla ya ke jing khayibi an ya udrok ha ke Jela Manipur bat ban penkut no ya ke jing syale bam hok jang giret pat ha ke Jela Manipur.
We, the Shillong Manipur Students Union, we are observing today the Black Day as a sign of a very sad moment where the Kuki and Meiteis has taken the conflict on the 3rd May of last year, and then now it has become a year today, that is 3rd May 2024. It is a very sad moment to think over and to witness such inhumane type of situation that is happening in Manipur, especially those particular our brothers, sisters, our mothers and the fathers of all the community have been displaced in different areas, in different particular places of Manipur. So to witness such particular type of sad moments is very, very unfortunate, and then we appeal to the government, both the state government and central government, why such kind of solutions which are permanent solutions that will bring a proper solutions have not been defined by the state and central government. It's very sad to know, and we ask to the government that is there any competent authority left to find out what is happening there in Manipur. Though we are in Shillong, we feel the pain, the sadness, and then we are hopeless in identifying what kind of solutions it will be bringing. See, the government has to identify something firm and very concrete. Resolution need to be brought in a very near future, because day-to-day life been scattered, and kids are not going able to go to school, and then those daily wages are not being able to survive or support the family. So I hope and we believe that the government must do something where it will identify that this is the proper solution, and then on top of it, immigrants from Myanmar should be stopped immediately, and then there must be a way to find out the immigrants that has been settled in Manipur, and then we know that these are all happening because of the immigrants that has been migrated from different parts of to every communities. Let's not go hand to hand with war. Let's go with a peace solution, love each other, and then stop fighting. And there's no way of solutions. If we keep on fighting, then it will be a very sad moments in the history of Manipur. And so you could see that where we have been given with a certain type of statements that the injustice happening to the indigenous people of Manipur. Like the people of Manipur, though they are inhabitant, they cannot stay in their own place, they cannot stay in their own home, they have been displaced in the refugee camps. So this is very sad, and we condemn such kind of say behaviors, and then the inhuman acts that has been provided by certain many other immigrants. So we should try to understand that life is not to be left by such kind of condition. So we appeal and we request to the government at least do something. And we are marking today as the Black Day, where the whole of the Manipur has been in a particular sad moment. So with this word, I believe that we are looking forward for a new peace and a new solution, and very soon we believe that the government will take a certain solutions for every community. Thank you so much.